What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. Am I wearing pajamas right now? Yes, I am. It's actually a set that I got in this haul, which I will show you guys a little bit later, but it was the last thing I tried on and I'm so comfortable, so I just really didn't want to change out of it. All of my recent Fashion Nova hauls have been chef's kiss. I got some really good items in this haul as well, but there were a few things that didn't work out for me. Although they didn't work out for me, I'm still going to show them and then I'll pop a picture of the model wearing it on the website just so you guys can see what it is supposed to look like on a body. But I still think I got some really good items in this haul. As always, I will leave everything I talk about linked down below. Don't forget to check that description box. I will also keep my Instagram down there as well if you guys would like to follow me. Do not forget to subscribe before you go. And I think that is it, so let's get into this haul. First item I got is this leopard high neck tank, and it does have ruching on both sides. It's definitely more of a form-fitting top. I think it is so cute. I love the stretch, and it is double lined, which is great, so it won't be see-through. I picked this one up in a 3X and I thought the fit was perfect. Next up, I got this faux leather like trench coat almost. It does have buttons in the front and a tie like belt that goes around the waist. This is like a really soft like pleather, I guess. Definitely a faux leather, but I think it is so cute. You could style this in so many different ways. I think in the try-on portion I just had that leopard top under it, but I actually think that would be super cute to wear these together. I really like this one. I got this in a 3X and it is not made of a stretchy material. I thought this top would be so cute for Valentine's Day. It's just a little white tee with a bunch of bows, and a couple of the bows have these really like sparkly gems on them. I don't know if you can see that, but I just thought this was super cute. This would be really cute with like a jean jacket and some black pants. Think I might actually wear this to work this week because this is the week of Valentine's Day. So super cute, super simple. Got it in a 3X. It is pretty see-through, if I'm gonna be honest. Like, it's a pretty thin t-shirt material, but I'm gonna wear a nude bra and have a jacket or like cardigan over it anyway, so it'll be fine. But I love it, love it, love it. Can't remember if I said got it in a 3X, and it is stretchy. Next up, I got this oversized tee, and it's a black acid wash tee. And it just says Beverly Hills Club, established 2024 for cocktail lovers. Is that what it says? For cocktail lovers, yes. And then at the bottom it says California. I just thought it was cute. I love a good oversized tee. Like I always say, just to throw on with some yogas and just chill, just giving chill vibes. I picked this one up in a 3X and it is made of just your typical t-shirt material. Next up, I got this bright pink floral button up. I thought this was another shirt I could wear to work this upcoming week for Valentine's Day week because it's just so like in your face bright. It's really, really pretty. I knew this was gonna be a non-stretch material, but I wasn't expecting this feel. It is, I checked, it's 100% polyester and it just has like an odd feel to it, to be honest, but I would totally still wear it. Although it's not stretchy, it still fit me well, and I picked it up in a 3X. Are you guys sick of the sweaters yet? I feel like every haul has sweaters in it, but this is just your basic beige sweater. Had to get it. Once again, I don't take the time to take the tags off before the video, sorry. Very stretchy, very soft. Got it in a 3X. I feel like it's really roomy and it looks so cute, and I just feel like these would look really cute with some light wash denim, like boyfriend style jeans or like looser jeans. Love, love, love. Cannot wait to wear this. Picked it up in a 3X and it is made of a stretchy material. Okay, really quickly, I'm going to show you the couple items that didn't quite work out for me. The first pair being these jeans, and they're the jeans that kind of button like that at an angle. Now, I don't think I looked at this online, or maybe I did, honestly, I don't know, but I got these in a 22 and they are not stretchy whatsoever, so they did not work out for me. But I am holding on to these because they will work soon, hopefully. Because I just think they're so cute, but they're a long ways from fitting me, let me tell you. My body type, I have a very hard time fitting into jeans if they are non-stretch. So that was my problem here, but Cannot wait to wear these eventually, and I will pop in a picture here of what it looks like on the model on the site. Okay, the next item is a black dress, and I was kind of actually surprised it didn't fit, because I feel like Fashion Nova stuff fits me 99% of the time, especially dresses, but this one didn't quite work out in the bust area. Well, honestly everywhere, stomach area as well. But it's just a long sleeve black button-up dress with a belt at the waist, and I loved the length on it. Honestly, it's just not made of a stretchy material, so it was too tight. I picked this one up in a 3X, and once again, I will pop a picture up of the model wearing it on the website. The next item I got was so cute. I felt like it was gonna be perfect for work, but although it fit, like it went on my body, it was so tight. I mean, it was so tight to the point where I literally had to check every single tag on all 3 of these pieces to see if they accidentally sent me like a 1X, to be honest. Like, these pants, like what is this? What is that? They are stretchy, but like not that stretchy, come on. This is a 3-piece set. I don't know if I said that, but these are black stretch, like knitted pants. Does have a little bit of a wider leg, and it comes with a cute little striped cropped cami spaghetti strap top, and then the matching sweater to go with it. On the website, I thought it said jumpsuit, so I thought it was gonna be like all one piece, but it definitely was not. It came as 3 pieces. Maybe I was looking at something else, honestly, I don't know. But all 3 of these pieces are so extremely small that if you can, I would size up. So like if you're a 1X, I might go 2X, maybe even 3X. It is made of a stretchy material, like I said. It is really good quality. It's just a little bit too small. Got it in a 3X, and I still think it's really cute. I will pop a picture up here so you can see what it looks like on the model. Okay, next item is an actual jumpsuit, and it is this black jumpsuit with white trim, also spaghetti strap, and pretty wide legs. I think this is so, not only cute, but so comfortable. It's made of this really thick, stretchy material. I feel like a lot of Fashion Nova stuff is made of this material, and I love it because it kind of like holds you in, but it's also so stretchy at the same time. It does have a zipper going up the back, and the spaghetti straps are adjustable, which is nice. I just think it's a really nice piece. I picked it up in a 3X, and it is very stretchy. Okay, I have been wanting a leopard maxi skirt for a long time, but I just haven't found one that's like exactly what I want. I picked this one up, and it's really pretty. I thought it was a great length. It does have a rather high slit going up the side, so I'm not sure if that's exactly what I'm looking for, but it wasn't like too bad. It wasn't like super revealing, but I think this is so cute. I do love, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the cut of this, it's a lot wider in the hip area, which is so good for me because I have really big hips. So the fit was great. It does have an elastic waistline, but the material itself is slightly stretchy, and it does have a zipper going up the side. Picked this up in a 3X, and I thought the fit was great. Okay, this next item I love. Now, it is an all denim jumpsuit. So we got the top and the bottoms. When I first tried this on, I was like, oh great, another thing, because the denim is non-stretch. I was like, another non-stretch denim item that's not gonna fit me. Now, the bottom half was definitely a little snug, but wearable if I'm going somewhere where I don't need to sit down. Just saying. This is so cute. The top part is definitely like oversized and baggy, and then the bottoms are supposed to be a little bit on the tighter side, I feel like for the look of this. But I did try sitting down and it was a little rough. So I think if I lose a few pounds, this will be perfect. I'm definitely holding on to this one. But it has buttons going up the front, and then the pants part has your, you know, normal one button and then a zipper. I just love this so much. The look of it is so freaking adorable, and I picked it up in a 3X, and it is not made of a stretchy material. Okay, last 2 items I want to show you are PJ sets, and I saw these on the site and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. I am trying to do an overhaul of my life this year. I just am trying to work on so many different areas of me, and one area I would like to work on is feeling good about myself even when I'm home being lazy. So instead of wearing a gigantic oversized shirt, which there's nothing wrong with that, and I'm still gonna wear them, just saying. But on some days when I just want to be lazy, but still like look a little bit more presentable, matching PJ sets, come on. So the first one is this pink one. This material, you guys, I just can't. Let me see if I know what it is. Okay, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. It is so, look at this, so stretchy. It is a bit thin and probably see-through if I'm being honest, but if I'm just hanging around the house, it's like, who cares? But it is a light pink and it has, is that champagne? Is that wine? A little rosé, never know. Who knows? But it is cute. And it has a lining, like a little lining, I don't know if you can see that, of this like metallic silver. Really cute. And then of course the matching comfy bottoms. Cute little drawstring there. Okay, that's that set. Got it in a 3X and it is so stretchy. And then the last one is of course the one that I'm wearing. It is black with a red trim, which I have a black set like this with a white trim, and I just thought, oh, red, let's spice things up a little. Then I got it and I didn't realize that there was writing on the back. So there is writing on the back, but that does not bother me at all. I feel like it's perfect once again for Valentine's Day. And same exact material, so soft and so stretchy. So that was everything that I picked up from Fashion Nova Curve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe before you go. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Check that description box for all the good things, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.